Things today are so convenient. It's getting hard to see. Turn on the lamp. Thank you. Hey TV, watch Netflix. Wonderful! Computer, what are the hours of the parts store? What? Oh no! Why can we talk to everything but the smartest machine we own? Our computers. Now, we can talk to the web itself. Speak to Web has made that possible. How can you help me?
Anything for you. Just a moment, I need a brief rest. We at Speak to Web are helping businesses take advantage of artificial intelligence and voice applications. We offer services that can turn web pages into voice-controlled mobile apps. We also add voice to companies' web pages. You can learn more right here. Would you like to contact us?
Speak to Web, making the web personal. Visit our webpage to find out more.